Arthritis pain got you down? Skin feeling like sandpaper? Hair thinning faster than you'd like? You're not alone. These are common issues for many over 50. But what if I told you there's a single natural solution that could help with all of these? Let's explore the surprising benefits of castor oil. This video will guide you through a 7-day experiment with castor oil, designed specifically for people over 50. You'll discover how this ancient remedy can provide joint pain relief, boost skin hydration, and promote hair growth. Castor oil isn't just an old wives' tale. It's backed by science. In the coming sections, you'll learn about the unique properties that make castor oil so effective. You'll also get practical tips on how to use it safely and effectively. Are you ready to transform your health in just 7 days? Stay tuned for some surprising discoveries and easy-to-follow advice that could change your daily routine for the better. Okay, you might be wondering what's really happening inside your body when you use castor oil. The science behind its effects is fascinating, and it explains why over 70% of people over 50 see significant health improvements in just 1 week of use. Let's uncover the molecular magic that makes this possible. Castor oil is a thick, odorless oil extracted from the seeds of the castor plant. Its use dates back to ancient Egypt, where it was likely used as fuel for lamps and for medicinal purposes. Today, most castor oil is produced in India, and it's still used in skin and hair products. What makes castor oil so special? The answer lies in its unique molecular structure. The key component is ricinoleic acid, which makes up about 90% of castor oil's composition. This fatty acid has some remarkable properties that set it apart from other natural oils. Ricinoleic acid has a unique ability to penetrate deep into tissues. This deep penetration allows castor oil to deliver its benefits more effectively than many other topical treatments. For people over 50, this means the oil can reach areas where it's needed most, like stiff joints or dry skin layers. The anti-inflammatory effects of castor oil are particularly beneficial for those dealing with age-related joint issues. Research has shown that ricinoleic acid can help reduce the formation of bone spurs and alleviate symptoms of arthritis. This makes castor oil a valuable option for maintaining joint health as we age. But the benefits don't stop at joint health. Castor oil's unique composition also makes it excellent for skincare. As we get older, our skin tends to become drier and less elastic. The deep penetrating properties of castor oil allow it to deliver moisture and nutrients to the deeper layers of the skin, helping to improve hydration and elasticity. For hair health, castor oil's benefits are twofold. First, it can help improve the condition of the scalp, creating a healthier environment for hair growth. Second, the oil's nutrients can strengthen hair follicles, potentially leading to thicker, stronger hair growth. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. Where's the scientific proof? Well, there's a growing body of research supporting the use of castor oil for these purposes. For example, a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that ricinoleic acid has significant anti-inflammatory properties, comparable to capsaicin, a well-known pain reliever. Another study, published in Phytotherapy Research, demonstrated castor oil's ability to improve joint function and reduce pain in patients with knee osteoarthritis. These findings support what many people over 50 have experienced firsthand: that castor oil can be a powerful tool for managing age-related joint discomfort. When it comes to skin health, a study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences highlighted castor oil's potential to improve skin barrier function and hydration. This is particularly relevant for older adults who often struggle with dry, itchy skin. It's important to note that while these studies are promising, more research is needed to fully understand all of castor oil's potential benefits. However, the existing evidence, combined with centuries of traditional use, suggests that castor oil can be a valuable addition to many people's health routines. So, how can you incorporate castor oil into your daily routine? For joint pain, you can massage a small amount of oil directly onto the affected area. For skincare, it can be used as a moisturizer or added to your regular lotion. For hair health, you can massage it into your scalp and leave it on for a few hours before washing. As with any new treatment, it's always a good idea to start small and see how your body responds. Some people may experience mild skin irritation, so it's wise to do a patch test first. And of course, if you have any specific health concerns, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new regimen. When it comes to natural remedies, patience is key. But what if castor oil could deliver noticeable benefits in just a week? Let's break down the day-by-day changes that occur when you start using this powerful oil. Are you ready to discover what your body might experience in the next 7 days? The journey begins with the first application. Within the initial 48 hours, many users report improved skin hydration. The oil's deep penetrating properties work quickly, leaving your skin feeling softer and more supple. Joint flexibility often improves during this time as well, thanks to castor oil's anti-inflammatory effects. As you move into days 3 and 4, you might notice some unexpected benefits. Many people report better sleep quality after applying castor oil to their scalp or the soles of their feet before bed. The oil's calming properties can help you relax and drift off more easily. This period is also when digestive improvements often begin, particularly for those dealing with constipation, a common issue for many over 50. The real transformation becomes evident in the latter half of the week. By days 5 to 7, users frequently report significant reductions in joint pain. The cumulative effects of daily application start to shine through, with visible changes in skin texture and hair health becoming more apparent. It's important to note that consistency is key to experiencing these benefits. Regular application allows the castor oil to penetrate deeply and work its magic over time. For optimal results, massage the oil into your skin or joints daily, giving it time to absorb fully. Proper application methods can enhance the oil's effectiveness. Try warming the castor oil slightly before use. This can improve absorption and make the experience more pleasant. For joint pain relief, gently massage the oil into the affected areas, allowing it to sit for at least 20 minutes before rinsing or wiping off. When applying castor oil to your hair and scalp, consider leaving it on overnight for maximum benefits. Cover your pillow with a towel to protect your bedding, and wash your hair thoroughly in the morning. This extended contact time allows the oil to nourish your hair follicles and scalp deeply. For skincare, you might want to mix castor oil with a lighter carrier oil, like jojoba or almond oil. This can make it easier to spread and reduce its thick, sticky texture. Apply this mixture before bed and let it work its magic overnight. Remember, everyone's body is different and results can vary. Some people might experience benefits more quickly, while others may need a bit more time. The key is to be patient and consistent with your castor oil routine. Castor oil's power is undeniable, but using it incorrectly might leave you disappointed. Are you making these common mistakes that could be sabotaging your efforts? Let's explore how to maximize the benefits of castor oil while minimizing potential risks. Proper application techniques are crucial for getting the most out of castor oil. For skincare, as a reminder, it's recommended to mix castor oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil, or even coconut oil. This helps dilute the castor oil and reduces the risk of skin irritation. A simple 1-to-1 ratio of castor oil to carrier oil works well for most people. When using castor oil for joint pain relief, try gently warming the oil before applying it. Massage the warm oil into the affected joints, then cover the area with a cloth. This allows the oil to penetrate deeply, providing more effective relief. For best results, leave the oil on for at least 20 minutes before rinsing. To stimulate hair growth, castor oil should be applied directly to the scalp. Use your fingertips to massage the oil in circular motions, which helps improve circulation and promotes hair growth. Leave the oil on for a few hours or overnight before washing it out. Choosing high-quality castor oil is essential for safety and effectiveness. Look for castor oil that's 100% pure, extra virgin, and certified USDA organic. It should be bottled in amber glass to preserve the oil's integrity and avoid hormone-disrupting chemicals found in plastic containers. Opt for practitioner-grade castor oil that's been third-party tested for purity. While castor oil is generally safe, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Some people may experience skin irritation or allergic reactions. To avoid this, always do a patch test before regular use. Apply a small amount of castor oil to a discrete area of skin and wait 24 hours to check for any adverse reactions. When taken orally, castor oil can cause gastrointestinal side effects like diarrhea and cramping. It should be used sparingly and only under healthcare supervision, especially for seniors. The proper dosage can vary depending on individual factors, so it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before taking castor oil internally. It's also important to note that castor oil may interact with certain medications. If you're taking any prescription drugs, it's advisable to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating castor oil into your routine. They can help you determine if it's safe for you to use and provide guidance on proper usage. By following these guidelines, you can maximize the benefits of castor oil while minimizing potential risks. Remember, consistency is key. Regular application allows the castor oil to penetrate deeply and work its magic over time. For optimal results, incorporate castor oil into your daily routine, giving it time to absorb fully. Castor oil offers remarkable benefits for those over 50, including joint pain relief, skin hydration, and hair growth. These advantages are backed by scientific research, making castor oil a promising natural remedy for age-related concerns. Now is the time to begin your own 7-day castor oil experiment. Armed with knowledge and realistic expectations, you can explore how this versatile oil might improve your health and well-being. Remember to approach your journey with a scientific mindset. Observe and document any changes you notice, whether in joint flexibility, skin texture, or hair thickness. Your experiences are valuable. By sharing your results in the comments, you can contribute to a growing community of health-conscious individuals. Together, we can learn more about the potential of castor oil for managing age-related issues. So why wait? Start your castor oil journey today and see what positive changes await you. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.